Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable dictation on your iPhone. With dictation enabled on your iPhone, what you'll be able to do, let's say you want to send a text message, you'll be able to press a dictate button and then talk the text into the phone rather than typing it out. So to do it, let's head over to the settings here on the main iPhone screen. Now we're on the main iPhone settings, let's scroll down slightly till we get to general here, and then let's tab into that. Now towards the bottom of the general page, you'll see keyboard, so let's tab into that. On the keyboards options, let's scroll all the way to the bottom and you can see this dictation section here, and it'll have enable dictation. And what you want to do, as it's currently greyed out, you want to tab this so it goes green. You'll get this warning pop up, dictation sends information like your voice input, contacts and location to Apple when necessary for processing your requests. So if you're happy with this, simply press enable dictation. So let's quickly swipe that away and bring up the notes app, and with the notes up you'll see this in the bottom right hand corner, this little microphone symbol, and what you want to do is you want to tap into this, and from this point you'll be able to say anything that you want and it'll dictate onto the iPhone itself. I'm now dictating to my iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So that's how you turn on dictation on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.